Yeah, 2004 Ford Explorer. It won't start. I replace the fuel rail pressure sensor, the cam sensor, and the crank sensor. Fuel pump, water pump, thermostat. Still nothing. If you guys know the problem, let me know. Please. Thanks.